Attention, Ubereats driver. Current time is 10:30 p.m. You have an offer from Ubereats from CVS, 4 items, shop and deliver. The pay is $25 for only 3 miles. But you know the CVS is closed for sure. So what do? Hear me out. All right. So yesterday I had an order 2343. Hold on, 2343, 2.8 miles. Took me a total of 28 minutes. 28 minutes. This is a Ubi shop and deliver from CVS. All right. So when you get a really nice offer from Ubi shop and deliver, but you know for sure the CVS or Walgreens is closed, and um, this trick will save you a lot of money. I mean, make you a lot of money, fam. So the 4 items yesterday was just a couple of snacks and a couple of drinks, and there was a King Supers nearby, a supermarket. On the East Coast is Kroger, so you know for sure that you can buy the items at a nearby supermarket. So before even going to the store, you can see what the items are. You know, if you know for sure, like the supermarket has them, just go ahead and go to the closest supermarket, shop for the orders. Some of the items will scan, some of them will not scan because it's different size or whatever. So yesterday I had to substitute a Gatorade 4 pack for like a two bigger bottles of Gatorade. It didn't scan, but there's a feature on the Uber app that says skip scanning or something. So anytime you get these CVS late night orders, but the CVS is closed, just go to the closest supermarket and buy it, and pay with your own credit card. Do not pay with the Uber credit card. Pay with your own credit card. Make sure to snap a photo of the receipt. Make sure it's nice and clear, it's legible. If not, you won't be reimbursed for your shopping order. Sorry, the dogs are barking. After that, snap a photo, and then go deliver it. So this is what happens yesterday. So before, one time I tried to buy the items, but I pay with the Uber credit card, and it won't go through. So make sure you pay with your own credit card. Do not pay with the Uber credit card. And Uber will reimburse you for the shopping order. So that is a new trick I just discovered with Uber Eats. Another Uber Eats tips and tricks. Make sure to take advantage of all the Uber Quest bonus. Give me 1 second. Let me go through my Uber Quest. So I got 3 trips Quest from a couple of nights ago, and for Uber Eats, the Quest and the Boots are combined. Are stackable. So make sure you take advantage of these. But honestly, I don't really chase Uber Quest or Boost, because whenever there's Boost, DoorDash also does peak pay. But if you know there's a $2 incentive for each request, and there's a Boost, and you will make more than the DoorDash peak pay, make sure you take the Uber order. You have to add like the $2 Quest and the Boost to the offer. But yeah, honestly, I'm a multi-apper. I don't really chase these promotions. But it's always nice to have Uber Quest, and these Uber Quest and Boost. You can are stackable. You can combine them. So this nice little Uber Quest the other day. All right, another kind of tips and tricks with Uber Eats. Uber Eats does high tips, but not to the level of DoorDash. So like on a typical hidden tip order, it shows up as 40.41, but the final total is 44.16. So Uber hides $4. And with Uber Eats, it's a lot harder to predict the hidden tips compared to DoorDash. Uber Eats will not show you the number of items. It will show you the restaurant and like the approximate drop off, but it will not show you the number of items. So this was another really good order the other day, maybe like 3 weeks ago. So it showed up as $40, but the final total was $44.16. This is a double stack, one restaurant, two customer. So Ubereats does high tips, but not to the level of DoorDash. DoorDash sometimes it shows up as 3 mile for $8, but the final total is like $20. But if Ubereats hides tips, it's only like a couple of dollars. All right, another Ubereats tips and tricks. Try to avoid a triple stack. Especially when it's two restaurants. If it's a triple stack, one restaurant, three customer, I think that'd be a good order. But if it's two restaurant, three customer, most likely it's gonna take you more than 1 hour. But if it's a triple stack, one restaurant, three customer, make sure you accept it. Do not do a two restaurant, three customer for Ubereats. It will take too long. All right, this is for the advanced driver. Whenever possible, make sure to hop on a dirty double. Well, it's not really dirty double, but if it's two different apps, same restaurant, same direction. For example, it's 11 p.m. at McDonald's. You got one order from McDonald's from Ubereats. Keep the DoorDash app or Grubhub app on. And if you got an order from the same McDonald's going same direction, make sure you accept it. And yeah, so but make sure the orders come out on time. Yeah, if you have the Ubereats order and you have to wait 20 minutes for the DoorDash order, you might have to unassign the DoorDash order and vice versa. So whenever possible, try to catch a dirty double. Same two different apps, two orders, same restaurant going the same direction. If you watched my live stream yesterday, we had a dirty double on my live. So that's another way to maximize your earnings. All right, and once again, all these gig apps always depends on your market and so on and so on. But in Denver, during dinner rush, usually Ubereats, you get better customer. Like from high-end restaurant, sushi, Indian restaurant, steakhouse, and so on. But late night is pretty much Ghost Kitchen and McDonald's and Taco Bell, all the fast food. Yeah. But generally speaking, Uber customer tips better, and a lot of Ubereats customer, and a lot of Ubereats customer are like business travelers. So late night when I deliver in downtown Denver, like half of the orders go to hotels. So generally speaking, Ubereats customer tips better, but once again, it all depends on your market. And I always multi-app. I'm not a one-apper. And that's all for today's tips and tricks, fam. If you haven't done so, please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. And if you keep on commenting on all my regular YouTube videos, you have a good chance to win the next cash giveaway. So anyway, thanks for 11 million YouTube views, and thank you for 31,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching this video, fam. See you guys on the next one. Peace.